I made a chicken marsala with some Marsala wine at a Restaurant Depot. Put in some garlic, some Parmesan Romano cheese. And because all the recipes I was looking at, not one of them had any herbs, I put a tablespoon Italian seasoning. Those are the little spots you see. I'm using my Blue Diamond fry pan. Ooh, almost had a problem. We want to save that juice. We want to try doing a reduction with it. There's so much cheese in it. Maybe one more. All right, quick pause for the cause while we clean up. All right, we're going to do 4 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other. You'll see what it looks like after 4 minutes. Wait for it. All right, it's been 5 minutes. I cooked it a little bit more. Shut it off. So you can see the white around the edges. That's how you know it's cooked properly. We got a little burny going on. We have some moisture. We want to get rid of that. So I'm going to cover it with a plate. Wait for it. Put it over the sink, drain it, then flip it. Alright, this is how you know I'm doing too many things in my kitchen while I'm cooking something. Whoops. Didn't properly place it. That's why we got a little burny over here, the browned on there. I'm just going to slide it back into the pan. And it should be about 2 minutes. And then we're good to go. Chicken marsala. Yummy. And we're done. Let them cool down for about 5 minutes. And what you see there is that's the chicken juice. Cooked it for about 3 minutes, actually a little bit more than 2. And just let it sit there so it's fully done. Where's the fattest one? There, that's the fattest one. Actually, yeah, that is. And you can see it's thoroughly cooked through. Perfect. It's the moistest chicken you ever had in your life. Look at it flaking. When you do chicken or fish and it flakes away and it's moist, that's how you know it's cooked perfectly. I haven't cooked chicken marsala in so long. Yummy. Oops. Oh, wait. Somebody told me to say, that's delicious. It's my dinner. Love you.